everyone, just a quick video to give you a recap of the beginner's solo ballroom tango routine number 3. This was taught live in the studio in Belfast here on Tuesday the 19th of October 2021. I appreciate we did a couple of routines back towards the end of 2020, so they are further back in the playlist. Okay, so routine number 3, I'm going to dance it away from the camera, up and down the room, and then I'm going to go across the room as well. So as you can see, I've got a little bit more space here. Do appreciate that you'll be doing this at home and you won't have the same amount of space as me, so I'll give you the modifications to keep it a little bit smaller. Okay, so we did the walk-in first. So remember, with the ballroom tango, we're sitting down into the knees. We're a little bit flexed, and we're trying to imagine that we've got a cup of tea or something on our head so that we don't bob up and down, rock side from side. So it has to be nice and steady, quite stealthy. And remember, the dance is a little bit moody, okay? So we're not all happy and jolly. Now, we did a left foot lead. I'm just going to step away from you so you can see the feet. 2 walks forwards, left, then right. We then shifted the weight onto the left foot and then onto the right foot gently. So that was a little progressive link. I'm going to come back again here. So you'll see left, right, shift, shift. We then repeated that 2 more walks, and then on the second progressive link, we did a promenade point where we looked to the left. So we did walk, walk, shift, shift. And now I'm looking this way. Now, I suggest, if you're in a small space at home, that you curve round, okay? If you've only got a little space at home, curve it round, okay? I'm going to do those 2 sets of walks together. I'm going to show you this way, curving to my left. So I'm going to go walk, walk, shift, shift, walk, walk, shift, point, okay? It doesn't matter how precise you are, just use the space that you've got or not got. Okay, walking across your camera now. Okay, this is 2 walks, left, right. The next one, I step onto it, pivot, and then tap for a promenade point. So because we were dancing solo, not with a partner, we were going to move from leader and followers hold and go left to right, just to give it a little bit of left-right feeling, okay? So it's not strictly what we would do when we're dancing with a partner, but as I say, we've adapted all our solo dance routines for this purpose. So we're here, left, right, pivot, tap, change, hold. We're now in the follower's position. I'm going to set off again. Walking, walking, pivot, tap, change the hold. Walk, walk, pivot, tap, walk, walk, pivot, tap. Now, the timing, slow, slow, quick, quick. Okay? Now that's exactly the same as what we did on the promenade, on the initial walks, sorry. So let's put the whole thing together. I'm going to curve those walks just so that I don't disappear too far down the room. Slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. That's section 1. Now, section 2 was the leader's promenade close step. This is exactly as it would be if I was dancing with a partner. So I've rotated already to this side. Slow, quick, quick, slow. So I'm looking down my promenade position, walk, quick, quick, close. And notice on the close, I'm rotating a quarter turn to face away from the camera, okay? So that is actually the leader's timing. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Now remember that last one, when we close our feet, it's a quick action on a slow count. So the foot comes in on the first beat and we pause on the second beat, hence it's a slow, because the slow is 2 quicks, okay? Let's put that all together. I'm going to go slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay, adding on, we did a reverse turn in what would be closed position if I was going to dance this with the partner. So again, on the leader's timing, I'm on the left foot. I'm going to do it first of all one way, and then I'll go across the screen so you can see. Forward step, pivot, close the left foot in. Okay, I'm going to go this way for you as well. Forwards, forwards, pivot, cross in front, and the weight goes on that crossed foot. Quick, quick, slow. Okay. Now the second one, I'm going to reverse and I'm going to continue pivoting. So let's do this first section again. I'm going to come across the camera so you can see. Go sideways onto the camera. Forwards, forwards, but pivot 180. Cross the left foot in. Pull the right foot from behind. Back. Continue your leftwards pivot. Open the leg. And then close. So it's 6 steps. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. This way. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. I'm going to go across this way. And again. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Now in that particular example I just went straight across, pivoting 180 each time. If you don't have that much room, you can curve it. So this is what it would look like if I wanted to curve round, like a hockey stick shape. I could do this. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, close. Now I'd have curved round in that L shape or hockey stick shape, and I won't have gone very far. Remember, with ballroom tango, we normally go all over the ballroom, okay? So you can under and over rotate as you need to. Now, the very last section we did, after we closed our feet, I'm going to face this direction. So we've done quick, quick, slow, we've closed our feet. We reused the right foot. Now, obviously we don't normally reuse the same foot, but we were improvising for the purposes of the class. So I'd close that in, extra beat was a pause, and then I lunged forwards on the ball of the foot, and it was a bit of a dramatic lunge, okay? And we were going to improvise part of the rock turn. So if you're looking on the playlist, do look in the members area. Remember, in the members area on the website, there's a page there that says dance syllabus and steps, and there is a link to the YouTube videos. They're not mine, there are a couple of other companies that have some excellent, well-produced videos, and it says Ballroom Tango Dance Step Syllabus. So if you actually look on there, it links to their YouTube website, YouTube channel, and you can look on there and you can see rock turn. So if you're looking for a rock turn, this is part of it. Improvise for our solo. So we're here, and then I shift the weight, rock back, shift the weight, rock forwards, shift the weight back. Okay, so it's forwards, back, back. Timing, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now this is the same timing as that promenade close that we did earlier on. Okay, so slow, quick, quick, slow. Now in the class I repeated it 4 times, and we actually pivoted around from whichever direction we were facing, and we made a rough 180. So it looked a little bit like this. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. I also had a little flick of the foot. So for those that were getting a little bit more balanced and were happy with the weight changing, I said about lifting the foot. Slow, quick, quick, slow. And you can do a little flick. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Flick it in. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Kick it in. Optional. If you're getting a bit confused with the timing or you're not so good on the balance, leave the foot fully on the floor. Okay, I happen to do that 4 times in the class, so I will do that when I dance it with the music. The very last step was a solo version of our Spanish drag on the leader's timing. Okay, so I'm going to close my foot in after I've done the last rock in. I closed it in, 1 step to the left, little lean to look over the right, drag this in, and dramatic stamp to finish. So let me do the last of the rocks. Slow, quick, quick, slow, close, side left, lean right, drag, close. I'm going to attempt to walk the whole thing through. However, I'm only going to do the rocking twice, okay? Otherwise you'll get a little bit bored, all right? It was just because we had big class, lots of people, we needed to position ourselves differently in the room, so I made us do it 4 times. Okay, so I'm only going to do the rocking, lunging twice. Let's take it from the very top, and I'll curve around the room slightly. I'm going to go this way. Slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, lunge, rock, rock, back, lunge, rock, rock, back, close, side, tip, drag, stamp. Okay? I'm going to actually dance this twice over with the music.